guys, so we're going to be diving into this super easy lesson. Just 4 chords, and we're going to use one finger only to play all of them. So it's super easy, great for absolute beginners. And if you've never played a song before, you'll be getting a tune out of your guitar in no time at all. So with that being said, let's get stuck in. Okay guys, so as mentioned there in the intro, this one's super easy. It's literally just 4 chords. It's the lesson that I would teach absolute beginners. Super easy. Now we're going to start with this chord here. It's called a G. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get our index finger and pop that on the bottom string, fret number 3, and we're going to strum the bottom 4 strings. So that is chord number 1, that is a G. Our second chord we need to learn is our G major 7. Now all we're going to do is slide that finger down to fret number 2 on the bottom string, and we're going to strum the bottom 4 strings again. The next chord we want is this one here, it's called G7. We just slide that first finger down to fret number 1 on the same string and then strum the bottom 4 strings. That's a G7. Our next one, we're going to put a finger on the string just above, on the second string up from the bottom, fret number 1 on this note here, and we're going to strum the bottom 4. Now be very careful with this one that you curl your finger around enough so it doesn't touch that high E string, and we strum the bottom 4 strings. So there are 4 chords. Let's run through them again. So we have G, G major 7, G7, and this C chord. Okay, so if you've got them chords, what we're going to do is we're going to try and strum each chord 4 times, and we're going to try and put no gaps in between if we can. So we're going to strum 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on to our next one, G7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up one to C and strum the bottom 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try that again with no gaps. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, let's try that again, tiny bit quicker this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Yeah, so I hope that's helped. Okay guys, so that concludes today's lesson. Hope you've enjoyed. If you have, as always, smash that like and subscribe below. Just to let you know, I've got a brand new course out. It's called Fretboard Foundations. You can learn all the major and minor chords, loads of exercises, teaches you how to learn songs, super in depth. So yeah, check that out again. That's in the description below. If not, no worries. And I'm glad you're here and enjoying the lessons, and I'll see you in the next one.